Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing the Piquant Post for January. This is a monthly culinary subscription. They do send you 4 spice packets as well as 4 recipes. They all correspond together. They take you to a different region of the world. Each packet is only $11.99, so if you're looking for a craft spice box, this is it. I always try to make one of the recipes, so if you're interested in seeing anything, do check out my blog review. I'll link to that below. I'll also link to Spice Post with my affiliate link. They are running a really cool promotion right now. I'll put the details down below, but that's worth checking out because if you're thinking about it but you're on the fence, that's when you do it. Do it when they're on sale, girls. All right, so I didn't even do like a first glimpse because I always just look in the packet. It's just like the silliest picture. I started thinking like, why do I do that? It doesn't help. It's not even like... you know what I mean. So we're just completely opening this together. So here are our recipes, and then here are our packets. All right, let's see if we can, ooh, it's French. So, how is it, quatre? All right, so there's that. There's va du vin French curry, which I've never had. And there's Dijon spice. There's usually 4. Oh, yeah, there's one in here. Is there? Yeah, okay. And then there is herbes de Provence, which is like one of my favorites because the tarragon in it is so delicious. Actually, I think I saw this somewhere that they were going to do this. Maybe not. I don't know. Anyway, I had some, there was like somebody had like a gift set of salt around Christmas time. And there was a salt that had the herbes de Provence in it. Provence. Trying to be cool saying it like that. It was so delish. All right, so let's see our recipes. So the skillet herbed fish, this looks pretty simple, and I like that about this subscription as well. They're going to take you from like a newbie, a novice, to like, not expert, but like, you know, a little more complicated. And so you kind of have the choice to work with what you have and then also build on your skills. And so I like that. I like that about it. So skillet herbed fish is going to use the herbes de Provence. And this includes thyme. This is like a classic mix, a blend that like it always includes the same things. Marjoram, savory, tarragon, basil, fennel seed, and lavender. Okay. Next is beef stew and red wine. This, my husband makes a beef in, like, he actually does like steak though. And he doesn't, like, it's not a stew. But he uses he makes like a red wine reduction. It is phenomenal. All right, so this one we're going to use the Quatre Epices. You know what I'm saying. All right, so this one has white white pepper. No. Ginger, nutmeg, cloves, and cinnamon. That sounds like it'll be delish. Chicken Dijon. We actually do a mustard pork. These are, because my husband his mother is from France. So, some of these are like kind of familiar. So the Dijon blend, or Dijon spice, has mustard seed, coriander, thyme, basil, onion powder, and black pepper. These so far all look pretty simple. The beef stew is probably the most complicated. You can see over here, you've got the instructions, and then over here you've got your ingredients, directions. Can I just say something? So this one, look at how simple, and like, you know. This is the va du vin roasted vegetables. So we are going to use the va du vin spice. And in this is shallot, onion, garlic, fenugreek, turmeric, cumin, nutmeg, cardamom, cloves, fennel seed, mustard seed, curry leaves, cayenne pepper. That sounds great too. I'm actually thinking I might do the curry because I've never had it. And I really want to try it. But I'm also thinking I might actually do 2 this month. Because if you do a meat... and one of these, like not the beef stew, like the Dijon, chicken Dijon. I wonder if they would go together. We'll have to find out. So if you're interested in checking out the full blog review, please do check that out below. Also check out Piquant Post in the promo. I'll put that down below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.